This video demonstrates how to create a new division via customizing in the SAP system. A division can be combined with a sales organization and a distribution channel to form a sales area. This sales area forms the basis for numerous processes in sales and billing, such as pricing, master data maintenance, or sales order processing. First, customizing is accessed by entering the transaction code SPRO. Next, the button SAP Reference IMG is selected. Within the hierarchical structure, the following path is navigated: Enterprise Structure, Definition, Logistics, General, Define, Copy, Delete, Check Division. An overview of the divisions already existing in the system is displayed. A new division can be created by clicking the New Entries button. In the input mask, a unique 2-digit key is assigned in the division field, for example, 10. Directly next to it, the description of the division is entered, for example, Product Division 10. The key serves as the internal identifier, while the description provides the clear text explanation that will later be displayed in master data and processes. After entering the data, the entry is saved using the Save button. This automatically opens the dialog box, prompting for a customizing request. Here, an existing transport request is selected, or a new request is created. Additionally, a short description of the request can be provided. After confirmation, the new division is permanently saved in the system. Following this, the division is assigned to a sales organization. This assignment can be carried out via transaction OVXA. Alternatively, the path Enterprise Structure, Assignment, Sales and Distribution, Assign Division to Sales Organization can be opened. The new division is assigned by clicking the New Entries button. In the Sales Organization field, the 4-digit identifier of the sales organization is entered, for example, 1000. The identifier of the division to be assigned to the sales organization is entered in the division field. This assignment determines that the division can be used within the specified sales organization. A division can also be assigned to multiple sales organizations, allowing it to be used parallel across different organizational units. This assignment is necessary because, although the division is defined system-wide, it is only released for sales processes through explicit assignment within the respective sales organizations. The creation process is now complete.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.